Your pet leaves fur wherever he goes, and it's impossible to clean when it gets on your clothes. You try tape rollers to clean your seat, but to get it all off, you need sheet after sheet. Not anymore! Introducing the Hurricane Fur Wizard, an all-new extra-large lint brush that picks up fur and lint with ease. Then cleans up instantly with a self-cleaning base. Fur Wizard is faster because of the double-sided action. It cleans up twice as much in half the time of other lint brushes. Plus, cleanup's a breeze. With just one dip, both sides are cleaned up quick. Watch again as Fur Wizard quickly and easily gets the mess left behind from shedding pets. Use it over and over again. Get your Hurricane Fur Wizard with the self-cleaning base today.